Hello brothers and sisters, my name is YAN JHAN. I will show you how to use calculate transition curve using the wolfpack surveying software. So let's begin. First, what does mean transition curve? Transition curve is the part of horizontal curve and it is smoothly make order to transit from horizontal curve to a straight line. So the transition curve, as you see, the question is here. Radius is 1000 meter and the deflection angle or intersection point is 32 degree 24 minute, and the acceleration is 0.3 meter per second square, and the velocity is this much, 30.56 meter per second. And so we have to calculate transition curve. The transition curve length must be known, the shifting must be known, and the change of intersection point also must be known. This is the radius and the deflection angle is the design parameter. The change is in the road alignment. So first we calculate the length of transition is v cube over v means the velocity of the car which we design, and the radius is the radius of horizontal curve. So the horizontal curve radius is 1000 meter and 0.3 is the acceleration and velocity is 30.56 meter per second, equal to 95.093 meter as length. And the shifting length of the transition curve from the tangent point is L square over 24R. That means radius of horizontal curve and length of transition curve. That gives you 0.38 meter. The software by default it will be calculate, but how to check it shows you. And the change of intersection point equal to 50.468, which means 1 kilometer 350 meter. So let's first show what does mean transition curve. This is the beginning of transition curve, which means SC, and the end of C point CS means the end of horizontal curve. The beginning of what? The beginning of transition curve. It begins CS, it ends in ST. Smoothly it will be. This is the horizontal curve. This is dot is the horizontal curve. This also the horizontal curve. The bold line is what? The transition curve. This bold one. So the first one is from TS to what? SC is the length of curve. The length of what curve? Transition curve. And from SC to CS is what? Which is the horizontal curve's length in transition curve. The same one. SC to CS. First, you don't forget the length of horizontal curve is from here. From here to where? From here to this is horizontal curve. This is the horizontal curve. Transition curve begins here, ends to here. Ends here, begins here. From TS, CS is what we need to calculate. And from CS to ST is what we need tangent curve, which is transition curve. So the horizontal curve road is like this one, but the transition curve like this one, the bold line, which is the bold line is the transition curve. The dot line is the horizontal curve. So transition shifting means from horizontal curve to transition curve. From horizontal curve to transition curve is delta S, which is shifting. We calculate 0.38 meter. And this is the horizontal curve, tangent point, and tangent to circle and circle to tangent is here, and this is intersection point. This angle is given as we saw 32.24 degree, 32 degree 24 minute, and this is pi of what? This is pi of the new transitional curve tangent point. Don't forget, I have a small time, so let's begin how to use this data and calculate the wolfpack software using wolfpack software. So first you install wolfpack software and begin, click in it and say program, then curve competition, because with horizontal curve we use horizontal curve and staking nodes. So here doesn't show you it is normal horizontal curve calculation. So say in number 7 what? Compute transition spiral. Click on it. It asks you transition length. As you saw, it is 95.093. 95.093, and the intersection angle is 32.24 minute. 24 minute and 00 what? 00 second. Radius is 1000, and it says define two picking point. So let's begin. Intersection angle curve radius is given for us. Unless degree of curvature given, we take degree of curvature, but we have curve radius and intersection angle, that is why I used, and change to unit metric. Pi is, as you saw here, 3050.468. 3050.468, and station distance. As you know, the horizontal curve is in 20 meter station or below, as you need, say 20 meter. This is only this data you use the part which is horizontal from CS to SSC. SSC to CS is horizontal curve, which is inserted in transition curve, that is 20 meter station. After we calculate this from CS to TS and from CS to ST, we use 10 meter interval of station. So begin here, say okay, and where he asks you where to save. I said created folder, new folder, say transition curve, that is, let's say save. What we say? Transition curve TC. Open. It is automatically calculated. You can show this is shifting of transition through or 0.375 meter. I said 0.38 by hand calculation. That is the same. It's okay. And the length of spiral curve is 95. It's okay. 0.93. It's okay. So just you used this one only for 20 meter. That is the inserted part of what? Horizontal curve, which means I showed you, don't forget this part only. So let's calculate again for 10 meter in station interval from SC to TS and CS to ST. So let's say close, and I will show you later how to find file where there. Let's begin to again horizontal curve, taking note, say 32, this metric 24, 00, radius 1000, and PIS what? Point of intersection or point of curvature, depend on your given data, your answer will be. So there is two here, PI and PC. Which one is given for you? You must know that. As our case, this is deflection angle, which is intersection point. Intersection point, I think. So begin. The data is 30, 50, 468. 30, 50, 468. 10 meter station complete transitional curve, which is 95.093, I think. 093. Then we say okay, it is automatically say TC what? 10 meter interval, which is spiral. Spiral. Yeah, this is show you that spiral angle, spiral transition, long tangent, short tangent, and spiral length and spiral long length. So we say it is ST to what? CS. In graph where? This one. ST where? What say? ST to CS. ST to CS. From here to here. From here to here. And the second one is this one. CS to TS. Where? CS to TS. This one to this one. As you know, our station is where? 30, 50. But it here says 1 plus 12 because it transited from here to down. So the beginning of transition curve is 1 plus 13. And in this two where? 1 plus 315. That is show you here in result. So you said here at last show you how to open this. I saved here. So say open it, and for 20 meter interval, this one is the result. So only take this one is for copy. Say you can take it, select and Control C copy, then on Excel or Word or another point you can paste it. When you design, say new Word, open it. When you design, say this is copy, Control C copy, paste. This is the result. I put it here. Did you watch it? This is where for only horizontal curve, which is inserted in here, from here, not in transition curve. The whole horizontal curve, circular curve is entered. It is specified point is entered. So the second one is what? 10 meter interval station for spiral. So first select this one. From where to where? ST to S, which is end of curve. ST to CS, end of curve, end of transitional curve. First, this is what? The transitional curve. For what station? 10 meter interval station. From where to where? CS2 ST as shown graph. The second one is the last, the beginning of curve. For 10 meter interval, copy. Say in here, paste. I show you what you have to do, not the whole thing. So this is the design for 20 meter interval in horizontal curve and 10 meter station interval to transitional curve. Don't forget this image from SC to TS and CS to ST, and don't forget our road is turns to right. That is why it is begin to here. And thank you for your patience. Goodbye. See you next. Subscribe in YouTube. Don't forget YAN. It says YAN. Goodbye.